Hello, this is Mike McCloy with Twin Harbor Web Solutions. In this brief video, I'm just going to show you how to create a new page in your Waypoint site and start making changes to it. It's just a very quick overview how to get started at a basic level of managing your website. So we're here on our demo site. This is just a sample website for showing things like this. And we're going to log in first. And if you should have a login link to get there, but if you ever lost it, there's an easy way to get to it. You just go to whatever your domain is .com/wp-admin and hit enter. And that's going to bring you right to the login screen. And we're going to go ahead and log in here. Enter our email address and password. That. I'm going to choose Remember Me, which means if I leave the website and come back, it'll remember who I am and I won't have to log in again. Saves you a step. And let's go ahead and make a new page. So what we're going to do is go to Content and down to Pages. And we're just going to add a new page right to our site. So we click on the top right here and click Add. And let's just say we want to make an About Us page. Now when I hit Tab, we're going to make an About Us page for our website. When I hit Tab, it fills in the title and the navbar link for us. You can always mouse over these little information icons to get more information about what each of these fields mean and what it's asking for. Just a real quick overview of these three because it's commonly asked question. The file name is the physical file name that your page is going to be. So this page will end up being waypointsecurity.com/aboutus.aspx. The title is the portion that appears right here at the very top of your browser. That's the page title. And the navbar link is the text that appears in the navigation bars in our website. So the next thing is parent page is none because we're going to put it right at the top level. If you wanted to put a page underneath, like if you made it under the home page or under page 1, it would appear as a drop down. So that's an optional step. Template, you may or may not have more than one template. Usually it's a 2-column or 3-column kind of thing. Our demo just has one, so we don't need to change that. And keywords and description are optional, but as a rule, we highly recommend putting in keywords and descriptions for search engine optimization. You want to give search engines as much information about your page as possible. And so in the keywords field, you're going to enter comma-separated values. So keywords are phrases separated by commas, describing the content on your page. And description is just a paragraph or two or sentence or two written out, again, describing the content of your page. Advanced page settings we won't go into right now, but there's some additional things with style sheets and stuff if you want to set that. But we'll skip over that one for right now to keep this brief. And we'll click Add a Page, and our page is created. You'll see it's here in the list. Now we can click View, and it's going to take us right to our newly created page. And our template that we selected gives us the whole page with the navbar, the title, everything is all set up for us, ready to go. And now we just have to add stuff to the box. It's also placed it in the navbar right here. You'll see there's a link for About Us, and it's available on all the pages. So let's click Edit Page and put something on here. And when we do that, you'll see we have 2 different boxes to add a widget to. This is a 2-column design. The boxes in your site may be laid out any number of ways. So let's add a rich text editor widget, which is going to allow us to add text and pictures to the page. That's the most common widget you'll probably use. So we're just going to say, here's our About Us page. We want to put a title on there. So we're going to highlight that, and you can choose paragraph style and choose heading 1. And it gives us a nice heading. And we might put in some text. Here is some information about us. And you'd probably fill it in. For the sake of showing what it looks like, we'll copy and paste it a few times. And you can also insert pictures using the picture tool here. That's going to, let's put one in. Why not? Here's a gallery we set up earlier, which includes some sample website pictures. So I'll just choose a thumbnail. We'll link it, insert image, and it puts a picture in here. You can also right click and hit properties. And let's say we want to justify it to the right. We can do that like this by choosing the image alignment, clicking OK, puts it over there. And we'll click Save. And we can click back to View Page. And now we've edited our page. So you see, when you create a new page, you get this blank format, and you can add different widgets to these pages automatically. And stay tuned for some of the other videos we're going to be posting with more details about the different widgets that are available. And thanks for watching.